Welcome back, explorers. Our young Earth was still a giant ball of hot lava, but something incredible was about to happen, something that would create our moon. Scientists think a giant planet about the size of Mars crashed into the young Earth. They call this ancient world Theia. Then,
Boom!
the two worlds collided in one of the biggest events in our solar system's history. The crash blasted billions of pieces of hot rock into space. They began spinning around Earth. Little by little, gravity pulled these rocks together. The floating pieces became bigger and bigger. After many millions of years, one giant rocky world had formed. Our moon. The moon has been Earth's faithful companion for more than 4 billion years, helping shape our planet in amazing ways. Now Earth finally had its moon, but it was still far too hot for life. So, how did Earth cool down?